Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my name is Saeed Abdul Rahman. I'm student of grade 10th, Ideal Union School, Doha, Qatar. Welcome back to my channel, first of all. I have been making videos since last 2 years during Corona, and now during this pandemic, I had made around 100 videos, and then after the pandemic, when everything was normal, I was making videos. I continued my channel, and then I had a very big break of I guess 2 months. If you check my last video, it was April 2022, and now I'm making the videos in on the 4th of July 2022. So first of all, I really apologize you guys for taking this much long break. Now I am back in my YouTube channel, and inshallah I will try to post videos daily. Okay, so let's begin with the question. So our question was to find the LCM and HCF of both the numbers. Okay, we were doing 1.2 and exercise 1.2 from chapter real numbers. The question number 2. Okay, sorry. So we were doing the question number 2, and in this question number 2 we had to find the LCM and HCF of the given numbers. Okay, so these are the two given numbers, and we have to find the HCF and LCM. Also, in this question, in the same question, we had to find the sorry. So we have to find the relationship between the product of the two numbers, and the HCF and LCM. Okay. Now, for finding that, verifying that statement, product of numbers is equals to the HCF and LCM. First of all, we have to find HCF and LCM, right? So let's find HCF first of all. So for finding HCF, we have to do the common prime factorization of both the numbers. So we'll do the prime factorization over here. Okay, so 510 by 2. Okay, so first number is the first prime number is 2. Okay, then we'll keep on doing, and when it comes to a number that is not divisible by 2, then we'll take 3, right? It is the basic rule of the prime factorization. So let's take let me divide this fast. 2 2 4 1 11 means 5, so 10, this will be 1, 10, so 255, right? 255. And this also can be divided by 2 or cannot be divided by 2. So when the last number is 5, then it cannot be divided by 2. Okay, but if the last number is 0, we can tell that it can be divisible by 2. So here let's try with 3. Okay, now we divide 255 by 3. So 25 means if I take 8, that will be 24. So 1, 15, 15 means 5. Yeah, so it is divisible. Okay, 15, this will be 0, finish. Okay, so 85. Okay, now here if we take 3, can it be divisible by if we take 3, will it divide 85? Okay, let's check. So we have 3, if we take 2, this will be 6, 2, 25. So 25 means if I take 8, then 24, 1, remainder is 1, so it is not possible. So let's try with 5. Okay, so 85 divided by 5. Okay, now it is bigger, so we can take 1, 5, so 3, 35. 35 means we can take 17, right? So 35. Okay, now 17 over here, 5, sorry, and 17. Now 17 is a prime number, we all know that, right? So we can directly divide it by 17, then the answer, the remainder will be 1. So we can tell that 510 is equals to 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Okay, then here 92. Okay, now in this number nothing is repeating, like 2 into 2 into or 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into, nothing is there. All are different numbers. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Okay, now let's try with 92 and check what prime factorization we get. Okay, let's write it over here. 92 divided by 2. So the last digit is 2. Obviously we can divide it by 2, right? So 92 divided by 2, let me take 4, 8, 1, 12. So you can take 6, 0, 12, 0. Yeah, so we can tell it as 46, right? Again 6 can be divided by 2, right? So we can take, so this will be 23. Yes, then 23 is a prime number, right? 23 doesn't not 23 does not come under any table, so we are directly going to divide it by 23. Okay, 1. Then so here we can tell that 2 into 2 into 23. Okay, now here HCF is this, right? Now we had found the 510, the prime factorization of 510 and 92, and now we have to find the HCF and LCM. So here HCF is 2. Okay, so only 2 is the HCF. Then LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. Okay, let me write it. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. Okay, now if you think that why I had taken 2 only once, okay, in the LCM, it is because we had done this in our previous videos. I think I had showed you the first question in detailed form, right? I had showed how we take this and how we take the LCM and how we prove that product of two numbers. Okay, no problem. We will do this in this video also. Okay, now so 2 into 2. How did we get 2 only one time? Here 1 2 is already there, right? But here when we are taking common, so why are we taking only 1? Because that is the rule of LCM. Okay, now we had done this in our previous video also. So if you want more detailedly, you can go and check in my previous video. Okay, I just showed you briefly. If I go in detail, then the video duration may take long. Okay, now over here, if we take if we find the final answer for LCM, so 2 into 2 will be 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 5 60, 60 into 70, let me try. 60 into 70, 7, 0, 42, 0, 6, right? So 0, 2, okay, 1020, 1020 into 23, 1023 into 23, 20, sorry, it's 20, 1020 into 20, okay? So 30603, right? So again 2, 4, 0, 2. If we add them, we get 0 and 6, 4, 3, 2. So 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. Right? This is the answer. Yes, 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. Okay, now after this step, we have to prove that HCF and LCM both are equal. HCF into LCM is equal to the product of these two numbers. Okay, now let me erase this quickly and then we will continue. Okay, let me pause the video. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, so now the next step is HCF. First we will write the statement. Okay, HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers. Okay, I'm writing numbers in short form because I have no space over there. Okay, so this is the equation. Okay, now this question can be asked for you, can be asked you in your exams also. Okay, so this equation is very important. If you by heart this, anyways it will be given in the question itself as it is given in your NCERT textbook. It will be given in the question in the exam also, but if they ask you, verify it. Okay, like they will just ask find the HCF and LCM and verify it with the product of numbers. Okay, they can ask you, like they can trick the question and ask you. So you have to identify how the question is being asked. Okay. Now here HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers, right? Then we'll take HCF, sorry. HCF is 2, right? So let's write 2, and then LCM. LCM is 23460. 23460 is equals to product of two numbers, that is 510 and 92, right? 510 into 92. Okay, now let's divide it, let's multiply it quickly. 23460 into 2 0 12 9 6 4, right? So here we are getting 46920 is equals to 510 into 92, right? So 0 to 10, then 0 9 45. If we add 0 2 9 6 4, see, we are getting the same answer, right? 46920. So here we are getting the same answer. So if you check it, 42946,920, and here also 4246920, right? So this proves that we have done the answer correctly. Like even if you find the HCF and LCM, and you have to check whether you have found the HCF and LCM correctly, you can use this equation. Okay, so this is like, we can use this equation for many reasons. Like just now I told you one reason to to check whether the HCF and LCM is correct or not, by multiplying the product of two numbers, like by multiplying HCF and LCM and product of two numbers. If they both, okay, in case if they both are different numbers, okay, in case if the both numbers are different numbers, so we can we have to redo it, because the answer will be incorrect. And if you try harder, then you may get the answer. Okay, so this was the question number 2 from exercise 1.2. okay, now we will continue the video, the question in our next video, inshallah. So till that, thanks for watching. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.